In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite your friend in PowerWash Simulator 2. So I can see I just loaded into the game for my first time. And basically what you want to do, press escape and press on this friend icon right here. Okay? Then you want to press online multiplayer, and it's going to give you a room code, right? Alright? Press copy and it should copy the room code for you, and you can send this to your friends and tell them to put it in their put it in wait put the code in right here where it says enter a code. But if you don't want to do that and that's too hard for you, you can just invite them directly by pressing invite player right here. Okay, these are the friends that are online in Steam, so you could just invite them by pressing invite player. You could even play split screen if you want, but yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.